Hello, welcome back to the walk-around video. My name is 𝗙𝗵𝗃𝗃 with Ames for Performance, and today we have the all-new Shelby Super Baja. This particular one is finished off in agate black metallic, and it's based off the F-250 layered ultimate, so it's loaded up with the goodies. We'll start things off with the wheels and tires, talk about the suspension. Then we'll go from the front all the way to the rear bumper and talk about everything in between. We'll wrap it up with the interior. Let's start things off with the wheels and tires. We have 20-inch flow-forward Shelby beadlock wheels, finished off in a beautiful two-tone. Wrapped around it is the 𝗙𝗵𝗃𝗃𝗍𝗃 the KM3s specifically. The wheels are 20 inches and the tires 37 inches, a true complementing piece to this entire build. Right behind it, we can see the Fox 2.5 shock system. This does have the adjustable backup reservoirs, along with piggyback reservoirs for extra durability. This is the BDS lift system by Shelby, which includes the Fox stabilizer bars for steering. And of course, every sensor has been recalibrated, including a speedometer. Then this thing is ready to hit the road. Right above it, you can see the all-black fender flares, which is all new for this year. And right behind the fender flares, you can see the side emblem with the Shelby badging right there. Absolutely stunning. If you happen to be ahead of this truck on the highway, the first thing you will see is the absolutely mean steel modular front bumper by Shelby, of course. We got the integrated fog lights right here, fully LED, with grills in front of it, just so that it can be fully protected when you're off-roading. Right in front, you can see the massive LED light bar, which is fully functional, of course, and right below it, that's also fully functional, are the front parking sensors. On top of that, you got the D-ring hooks right there in the very front that is welded into the front bumper. If you ever do get stuck in this truck, I don't think you will, but if you do, it's there. On top of there, we got the Shelby grille that integrates beautifully with these LED headlights, standard to the layered ultimate. The Shelby lettering is finished off in a gloss black. You can see the top half LED markers right there on top of the grille, and of course the front camera is absolutely perfectly integrated right underneath the letter, well, in between the letters E and L. On the hood of the Super Baja, the first thing you'll notice is the beginning of the racing stripes that continue all the way through the tailgate of the truck, finished off in a beautiful matte black, which complements the black metallic perfectly. On top of there, you will see the new Shelby hood extractors, which extract massive amounts of heat, along with the side extraction vents, which all work collaboratively with the fender vents on the sides that we saw just a little bit ago to cool down this massive 6.7-liter turbo diesel Power Stroke V8. When you look at the side of the Shelby Super Baja, the first thing you notice is the lower section of the cab, the matte black strapping theme continues with the Shelby branding, and right beneath of it, we have the steel rock guards, which also double as power running boards. I say both because not only is it durable, the power running boards tuck underneath of it, which act as rock guards. And when you open the door, the power running boards activate, and there's also LED lighting so you can see at night and not trip. Right behind it, we can see the Shelby branded Baja bed chase rack, which will take in a little bit more detail once we get the tailgate open. And you will also notice the fender flares continue on all four corners. And last but not least, at the edge of the bed, we have the Shelby Super Baja logo there. Absolutely stunning. Before we open the tailgate of the truck, let's talk about the rear end of the truck. Of course, the matte black racing straps continue on the tailgate and finishes right there. Underneath there, we have the Shelby modular steel bumper with functional parking sensors. And of course, more D-rings, because again, you will never get stuck, but you might be saving somebody. And we have the LED lights in these grille areas on the corners too. And of course, can't forget the dual side exit exhaust with blacked out tips. Now, let's open the tailgate and look what's in the bed. Once we open the tailgate to the all-new Shelby Super Baja, the first thing you're greeted with is a massive entryway, but don't worry, they came up with a good solution for that. Well, Ford did. Tailgate step is still present here, and you can enter the bed much easier with the tailgate step down. Next thing you're greeted with is the bed liners already installed, which looks great. We got the bed chase rack in a little bit more detail here. You can see the Shelby Super Baja straps, which look great. Such a good attention to detail there. We have two full-size spares there. And I mean two full-size spares. I mean, it's exact same rim and tire setup as what's mounted on the truck, so you'll never run out of spares. And you can see all the beautiful welds on this great bed chase rack setup. And at the very top, we have a massive light bar that is adjustable so that you can really see where you're going late at night when you are out Bajaing. Once we step into the all-new Shelby Super Baja, the first thing we're greeted with are these beautiful red, black, and gray leather and suede seats. We can see the diamond stitch pattern that continues throughout all the seats, not to mention the beautiful Shelby Super Baja embroidery right here in the middle. This continues to the back seats, Next thing you're greeted with is the Super Baja floor mats on the two front, and of course the Shelby aluminum pedals as well. And once you look up, you will see the carbon fiber dash applique, which is finished all the way throughout. It's great attention to detail. Looks absolutely stunning. And now you will notice all the buttons this thing has: adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, the big instrument cluster that's fully digital, and of course the 12-inch screen, 360-degree camera, you name it, this thing has it. Heated and cooled seats, B&O sound system, all the auxiliary switches in the world, which controls the lighting that we've seen throughout the entire truck, and of course a full panoramic sunroof, which you open it and go out, you will see that the matte black racing stripes continue on the roof as well. Not to mention, the ultimate piece that you are truly in a special truck is the center armrest plaque, which has a serial number to this truck, car Shelby signature, and the Shelby F-250 Super Baja written right there. This is the true definition of the ultimate Super Duty. I don't think there's a thing that Shelby could have done that focused more on the attention to detail than this truck. So they knocked it out the park. Absolutely stunning ride. There you have it, guys. The all-new Shelby Super Baja, based on an F-250 layered Ultimate. This truly is the best Super Duty there is when it comes to all the upgrades and the amenities that it has. This agate black metallic rig is available right now at Ames for Performance. Give us a call or check us out on our website for any further questions. And of course, until then, like, comment, subscribe, whatever platform that you're watching this on. We love engaging with you guys, and thanks for always being there. And thanks so much for watching.